Good morning, 10th class children. Get ready for the class. Open textbook, notebook, and take pen. We are doing trigonometry. Yesterday I started 12.2 second exercise on page 306, but due to failure of some tab problem, it is deleted. Once again I am explaining. First question, I will read the question. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of the road from a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. See, there is a road. This is the road. On one side there is TV tower. Here, TV tower. TV tower. A person observing the top of the tower with angle elevation 60 degrees. Now name the triangle. AB is the width of the road. BC is the height of the TV tower. Person is at A, observing the top of the TV tower with the angle elevation 60 degrees. He walked 10 meters away. 10 meters away. 10 meters away from this point A, and again observe the top of the tower with 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. Say A, B, C, and now he is at D. AD is 10 meters, and let AB is x meters. Then totally DB becomes x plus 10. X plus 10 meters. X plus 10 meters. So here we obtain two triangles. One triangle ABC, first triangle ABC with angle 60 degrees. Second triangle BBC, angle is 30 degrees, side is x plus 10 degrees, 10 meters. Now here, let us separate the triangles so that we can easily solve the problem. To avoid confusion, let us take the same height, BC. Same figure AB. AB, okay. Join this 60 degrees. Name the triangle ABC. Let AB is x meters and this height of the TV tower H. First triangle. Second triangle. DBC. Same as DB. DB. S. This is 30 degrees. This is DBC. This is x plus 10 meters. This is h meters. H meters. H meters. This is second triangle. From these two triangles, BC is common. So by using that side, we can find our heights and distances. He is asking height of the TV tower and how much far from the TV tower, from the foot of the TV tower the person is standing. So we have to find height and distance. By drawing these two triangles, you can easily understand. Now, this is from the first figure from the problem. I separated the triangles separately so that you can easily understand. Now, in the triangle ABC, in the triangle ABC, angle A 60 degrees, angle B 90 degrees, AB x meters and BC h meters. H meters. H meters. Now we have the relation between these two sides. Is the trigonometrical ratio is tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side of right theta of theta by adjacent side of theta, that is BC by AB. Tan 60 value on the table root 3 is equal to BC. We have taken h by x. Let AB is x meters, BC is h meter. Cross multiplying h is common from both the triangles. So I am writing h as h is equal to root 3 x meters. Say this is number 1. We separate this tan 60 opposite side of the angle by adjacent side of the angle, h by x. Cross multiplying h is equal to root 3x. We have to find height. That's why I am taking height first and common. Second, in the triangle DBC, angle D is 30 degrees angle B is 90 degrees, DB is x plus 10 meters, BC is equal to h meters. Therefore, tan 30 degrees here. The relation having the ratio, trigonometrical ratio is tan 30 is same again, opposite side of the theta by adjacent side of the theta. Tan 30 from the table 1 by root 3, opposite side BC, adjacent side DB. BC we have taken h, DB is x plus 10, x plus 10. This is x, this is 10, x plus 10. Cross multiplying, h is equal to, h root 3 is equal to x plus 10. H is equal to x plus 10 by root. Say this is number 2. Now from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, h is equal to LHS are equal, then RHS is equal to root 3x is equal to x plus 10 by root 3. Cross multiply, root 3x into root 3 is equal to x plus 10. Root 3, 3x is equal to x plus 10. We get x left side. So 3x minus x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 2. X is equal to 5. We suppose x as width of the road. Therefore, width of the road is equal to 5 meter, and height of the TV tower is equal to h is equal to root 3x. X value 5, so root 3 into 5 root 3, 5 into 1.732 r. 5 2s are 10, 15 1 16, 35 1 36, 8. So this is 8.66 meters. Height of the tower is, TV tower is 8.66 meters, and width of the road is 5 meters. See, this much lengthy problem, 4 marks problem. Complete, it is occupied board. First, this is original diagram from the problem. I separated 2 more problems from the first figure. Here are 2 angles. One is 60 degrees, the other is 30 degrees. You observe the angles. First of all, is at A 60 degrees. It means near to TV tower. And going back and back, then the angle of elevation decreases, coming towards the pillar, coming towards the TV tower, angle increases. Angle increases. You observe these two things. Here 60 degrees, here 30 degrees. Again going back, the angle decreases, coming towards the TV tower, means the angle increases. You observe these two things. Going back, angle increasing, coming front towards TV tower, angle increases. Now, second question. You see, please note down. It is very clear. In the problem, there are two angles. Two angles means definitely there will be two triangles. You write the triangles, write the measurements, then use trigonometrical ratio, then find height, and this is height, this is distance, height and distance. The name of the chapter is the exercise is finding heights and distances. This is application of trigonometry. Second problem. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meters height from a point of certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 to 60. Crown 30 to 60. As he walks towards the temple, find the distance, walk towards the temple. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 to 60 degrees. In the first problem, the person is walking back. They are walking back. In the second problem, coming front, he is walking front of the temple. I will show you. First angle is 30, second angle is 60. Okay, let it be. No, okay, start with similar. Temple. Temple. The person is here first A. B, C. Second next he moved front. The BBC is here. To the top of the find the distance he walked towards the temple. 1.5 meter tall boy is looking 30 meters height. Temple which is 30 meters in height from a point of certain distance. So height of the temple given 30 meters. 30 meters. We find AD, how much distance he walked. This one and this one. Here are two triangles. Once again, I will draw same as DB. DB. Say 60 degrees. This is DBC. Otherwise, I will write first triangle ABC. This is 30 degrees. BBC. First triangle, this is 30 meters divided. This is let us take first one as x, second one as y. Total is x plus y. This is x plus y. Let distance dB is x and AD is y. The total side x plus y. Second triangle AB. Same height. degrees. BBC 30 meters and this is x meter. X. In that time, see, in previous problem, the person is here and he moved back and the angles are 60 and 30. Now here, the person is height of the temple given 30 meters. The person is at A. Observe the top of the tower, top of the temple crown is 30 degrees elevation angle, and he moved front towards the temple, and at D observe the top of the tower with the angle elevation 60 degrees. Because he is moving front, he is walking front, then angle increases. Now, height of the temple given here, we have to find the distance between temple tower and the person. Second time, this is first time. Here the distance, this BD is x and DA is y, meters. In the temple, in the triangle DBC, angle D is 30 degrees, angle B is 90 degrees, and DB is equal to expressed by meters. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side of the temple, opposite side of the angle by adjacent side of theta. That is BC by DB. This is AB. This is AB. Now, tan 30 from table below 1 by root 3 BC taken as given as x, and the height of the person given 1.1 is height 1.8 1.5. From his height 1.8. This is 1.5 meter height of the boy. This is also 1.5 meter. Then actual height is 28.5 meter. Total height 30 meters. Total height of the from ground 30 meters. Height of the person is 1.5. Then height of the temple from eye level is 28.5. So let us take here 28.5 by x plus y. Now cross multiply x plus y is equal to 28.5 of into root 3. Multiply 1.732 into 28.5. 5 2s are 10, 15 1 16, 35 1 36, 86. 8 2s are 16, 24 1 25, 8 56 2 58, 30. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, and 3. So 6, 12, 10, 6, 16, 7, 8, 15, 15, 8, 23, 6, 3, 9, 49.362, 3 decimals. 1 point. And 4 decimals here, 49.362 meters. Near. This is number 1. And number 2, in the triangle ABBC, angle D 60 degrees, angle B 90 degrees, and DB is, this is 28.5. BC. dB is x meters. Then tan 60 is equal to opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. Root 3 is equal to BC by A. BC by D. Root 3 is equal to BC 28.5 dBx multiply. Root 3x is equal to 28.5 x is equal to 28.85 by root 3. Rationalizing 3. Root 3 9 are 27, 3 5 are 9.5 into root 1.732 into root 9.5. 5 2s are 10, 15 1 16, 35 1 36, 8. Next 9. 9 2s are 18, 27 1 28. 9 2s are 18, 27 to 29, 63 to 65, 50. Decimals 4. 0, 8 6 14, 6, 10 6 16, 8 6 14, 6 1. Decimals 4. 16.464 meters. Say this is second. From 1 and 2, x plus y is equal to 49.362, whereas x is equal to, since x is equal to 464 meters, 16.464 meters. Then y is equal to 49.362 minus 16.464. Then 49.362 minus 16.464. 12 minus 4 8, 15 minus 9 6. That 12 minus 4 8, 8 minus 6, 4 minus 1, 6. So this is the problem, second. So how much, what is question? Find the distance he walked towards the temple. So we have to find y. Y value is 32.898. Do this. $32.908.